In today's video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step play on how you can get rich. Yes, I get it. Most of my videos are about CPNs, but most of the information can be transferred to a SSN as well. Think about it like this. If it works for a CPN, it damn sure works for a SSN. In order to get a credit score, you will need to add Tradelines. And the Tradelines that I recommend for a CPN is Ava Finance, Credit Rent Boost, and you can also add 2 authorized user Tradelines, and that will boost your score to like 700. If you need any AUs, you can message me on Telegram, link in the description. Now, once you have all this reporting, this will show any lender or any financing company that you are liable to pay them back. You really have to understand the fundamentals of credit. If I say that I'm gonna pay you on Thursday, then I'm gonna pay you on Thursday. If I pay you on Thursday, then our credit goes up. If I don't pay you on Thursday and I pay you on Friday, you still pay me, but you didn't pay me when you told me you was gonna pay me. Our credit is still good. I just trust you less because you didn't pay me when you said you would. The easiest ways to start making money with a CPN is renting apartments and cars. Those are the 2 easiest methods of starting a business. And you don't even have to use any of your money. What you can do is apply for a credit card through the CPN or through a SSN or through an EIN to furnish your apartment. You can also apply at Cons or Secure MDG. Those places also accept CPNs. You can go get all of your furniture for your CPN. With those same 4 trade lines, you can go to a dealership the same day and go get 3 cars. If you use your SSN, you can discharge your credit and you won't even have to pay that monthly payment. All of the payments will be paid to you. You get to keep all the extra money that you make from Turo. If you want to learn how to do this, message me on Telegram to join my class. I will be teaching you everything you need to know on how to discharge debt, how to build your credit, how to repair credit. This is a class that is meant for action takers. If you are not someone who wants to take action and you just want to learn, then this class is not right for you. You can consume as much information as you want to, but nothing will change until you take action.